introducing our intelligent and fully integrated planning solution for industrial piping design, thanks to a unique partnership of 4 companies that offer a new solution for intelligent planning, fully integrated in industrial piping design. In this solution, information flows seamlessly from the project specification to the pipe planning, then to the simulation, then to the pipe isometric, and finally to the prefabrication in the workshop. Thanks to a unique synergy, you can now control your entire process chain, from development to production, by including the planning of production resources, right from the design of the piping assemblies.
With the complete process of P&ID piping in ISO, we are able to support the entire plant design process in the design department. With that, you are reaching a very high time saving, and with our to-do list, we eliminate errors during the transfer from P&ID to piping. With the PipeFab connector, we can very easily transfer the data to PipeFab MES. With our MES solution, PipeFab, you have a shorter throughput time due to a dynamic production planning, as well as an optimization of the setup time. Our target is to have a perfect execution from the start. That means first pipe is a good pipe. With all that advantages, you are reaching a complete documentation, traceability, and a paperless production.
PBS has a long time know-how in the bending process. With our products, innovative machine technology, precise measurement technology, and efficient software solution, PipeFab, we are specialists for production of transmission fluid pipes. And we are specialists for small-scale and single-part production with high product variancy. Our goal is to digitalize piping for a deeper process integration.
Orbital has more than 40 years experience in tube and pipe fabrication solution. In this process, we make the collar for the tube, and Orbital method is 3 steps. We make first the pilot hole, then we make a collar, and then we trim it. And with this process, we can save up to 70% money compared to traditional way of making the collar. Now the tube is ready for orbital welding.
After cutting, facing, bending and collaring, we are ready to weld with the Smart Welding Station. It's switched on, the welding program database ready, and the MW closed chamber welding head plugged. The welding operator receives the bended collared pipe with the branch already tack welded. You scan the production order with a QR code, and the uploading starts automatically and shows immediately the qualified corresponding WPS welding procedure. The welding head is placed on the branch and clamped. The total welding time is less than 2 minutes. Then the welding head is removed and the workpiece released from the tooling, ready for the next one with the same or different WPS.